Hello guys, today we discuss about chemistry of biomolecules. Biomolecules are the organic molecules containing the carbon, hydrogen, nitrogen and the oxygen. All are the polymers, all are organic C compounds. They make up of the living organisms. Example is the glucose, C6H12O6. This is the structural formula of the glucose. Biological macromolecules. Life dependent on four types of the organic macromolecule. First one is the carbohydrate, second is the lipids, third is the proteins, and fourth is the nucleic acids. Functions. So what is the function of the carbohydrates? Carbohydrates are the energy, supports and the recognitions. Proteins function is the enzymes, structures, recognition, transport, pigments, signals, movement. Lipid, cell membrane structure, energy storage, signal, cellular metabolism. Nucleic acids, hereditary and the protein informations, energy and the signals. Structure. Carbohydrates are the polysaccharide of the simple sugars. Proteins are the polypeptide of the amino acids. Lipids are the insoluble in water, although common polymer glycerol and the fatty acid. Nucleic acid is the polynucleotide of the nucleotides. So first of all, we see the carbohydrates contain carbon, hydrogen and the oxygen in ratio is 1:2:1. Account for less than 1% body weight. Used as the energy source, called as the saccharides. Carbohydrate having the two groups, simple sugars and the complex sugars. In simple sugars, we containing the macro monosaccharides and the disaccharides, and complex sugar containing the polysaccharides. So these are the structures of the monosaccharides, disaccharides and the polysaccharides. Monosaccharides is the simple sugars, is the monosaccharide is that is made up of the one sugar, that is the glucose, fructose and the galactose. Simple sugar is second one is the disaccharides. Disaccharide, that is the two sugars, that which example is the table sugar is the glucose plus fructose, maltose is glucose plus glucose, and the lactose is made up of the galactose plus glucose. So next one is the polysaccharide. Many sugars is a complex sugars polymer. Any molecule made up of the several repeating units. Starch is polymer of the glucose. Functions is cells use them for energy and the structure. They allow organisms to gradually use energy since it is stored in the last structure. Starch is the energy storage in the plants. Glycogen is energy storage in animals. Cellulose is the plant cell wall. All are a long string of glucose molecules. Difference like in how they are bounded together. So next one we study the nucleic acids. Nucleic acid is the molecules of the heredity macromolecules made up of the nucleotide. They having the two types. First one is the DNA nucleus and second one is the RNA, that is 90% of the cytoplasm and 10% is the nucleus. So there are the three types of the RNA: mRNA, tRNA and the rRNA. Information storage is DNA is the deoxyribonucleic acids. Protein is the RNA, ribonucleic acid and energy transfer ATP, adenosine triphosphate, and the NAD is the nicotinamide adenine dinucleotide. And nucleic acid contain the carbon, hydrogen, oxygen, nitrogen and the phosphorus made up of the nucleotide. Nucleotide consists of the sugar, phosphate group and the nitrogenous base. Nitrogenous base found in the two nucleic acid types are different, that is two types is the purine and the pyrimidine. Purine is the containing adenine and the pyrimidine is the thymine, cytosine and the uracil groups. Adenine, cytosine and the guanine are found in both RNA and the DNA. Thymine is in DNA, uracil is in a RNA. DNA contains the two deoxyribose, RNA contains the ribose. The only difference is the presence or absence of the OH hydroxyl group on the second carbon. All nucleotides have the phosphate group. Phosphate group is found in a phospholipids. HPO4 found between the two adjacent nucleotides in a polypeptide. Sugar is the phosphate backbone. So these are the structures of the DNA which is found in the Watson and the Crick. So these are the Watson and the Crick model. Double-stranded right-handed helix, antiparallel strands 5 to 3 polarity, sugar phosphate backbone on the outside of the helix, base pairing inward. Bases of the opposite strands are the hydrogen bond together. CG is the 3 bonds, AT having the 2 bonds. Major and the minor groove complementary base pairing. Base are the 0.32 3 nanometer, that is 3.4 angstroms apart in the strand. 3.4 nanometer or the 33 angstroms per turn of the helix. 10 and per turn helix is the 2 nanometer or the 20 angstroms in diameter. Complementary base pairing rule. Adenine always base pairs with the thymine or uracil if RNA. They having the adenine and the thymine having presence double bond. Cytosine always base pair with the guanine, and they having in between they having the triple bond. Adenine is base pairing thymine, adenine is base pairing uracil, and guanine is base pairing cytosine. Three types of the RNA, all used in the protein synthesis. All three types of the RNA, that is the mRNA, tRNA, and rRNA, they are having used in the protein synthesis. So first one is the mRNA, that is the messenger RNA. Second one is the tRNA, that is the transfer RNA, and the third one is the rRNA, that is the ribosomal RNA. So first is the mRNA, transcribe the genetic information from the DNA. Second one is rRNA, assembly site for the protein synthesis in the complexes or the protein and the RNA known as the ribosomes. tRNA is essential carrier molecule for the amino acids to be used in the protein synthesis and all encoded in the DNA. So guys, we study the nucleic acids and the carbohydrates.